on polishing these walnuts until they turn into jade for 2 years straight. And if you're confused, then allow me to explain that I just started the most satisfying experiment of my life. These are walnuts, but they aren't actually meant for eating. They're specifically grown for rolling in your hands. People rotate them in one hand for years, and over time, they get darker and shinier, and the surface becomes smooth and polished. They end up developing a patina from oils in your hands and skin, and ultimately, the end goal of these walnuts is to get them to change texture and color using nothing but your hands over the span of around 2 years, and then they turn into jade. Right now they feel rough and grippy, but my goal is to get them so smooth that they almost feel like stone. Around 6 months in is where the ridges start darkening and the raw surface disappears. By 1 year, the color deepens and a real shine starts to emerge. And by 2 years, if you've been consistent, they will look almost nothing like what you started with. Just picture a walnut that looks like a deep reddish brown gemstone, almost glowing. That's what they'll eventually turn into. And as soon as I heard about these, I immediately got my hands on 2 pairs and started my 2-year journey playing with them. And since I did get 2 pairs, you're gonna have to help me decide if I should tumble the second pair. But before I get there, at first I was a bit confused because when they arrived, a part of me thought that they already looked like they were developing a bit of a gloss, which made me wonder if they're even real walnuts? Well, the only way to find out would be to open one, but when I shake them, I do hear something inside, something like a nut would sound like, so that's a good sign. But these, they're selectively hand-picked and grown from actual walnut trees. They're a variety called iron walnuts, and they are intentionally picked for their symmetrical shells and ornamental qualities, rather than for eating. The nut inside is real, but the shell is so thick that the edible nut inside is tiny and basically inaccessible, which is why nobody bothers cracking them open. So botanically, they're a walnut, but they're just bred for beauty and grip rather than taste. The first question I had was, how did someone even start rolling these one day? Well, the answer goes back further than I expected. What I found is that these fall under a hobby called Wenwan, where people collect and age objects like these over the years. So technically, this is the oldest fidget tool ever invented. The tradition goes back hundreds, even thousands of years in China, and the high-quality walnut pairs are often passed down by older generations. Even emperors and scholars were known to roll them. It's actually considered a sign of refinement and status, not just a pastime. So these weren't just a hobby, they were also a symbol of patience and culture. Plus, rare matching pairs can even sell for thousands of dollars, which is crazy. But nonetheless, rolling walnuts is kind of like a meditative practice. That repetitive circular motion is actually used to improve dexterity, stimulate acupressure points in the palm, and even reduce stress. And honestly, after just 1 week of rolling these in my hands, I kinda get it. So yeah, it's pretty cool to think about those ancient roots and knowing that if you do try rolling these for years, you'll also be part of a long tradition. I never even knew a hobby like this existed, but you can imagine now that I know, I feel like it's my new favorite hobby. And I got 2 pairs. One of them I've been rolling in my hands for a week, but I can really only roll 1 pair in my hands, and that gave me an idea. I thought to myself, what if I put the second pair in my rock tumbler and tumble it for a few months while rolling the other in my hands, and over time, see how they compare? My plan is to run the tumbler in cycles, checking on them every few weeks to see how the surface is progressing. I'm also thinking I should maybe add some hand cream to mimic the oils in regular hands, but I also need your help deciding that. But in any case, I'll be documenting both pairs side by side so you can actually see the difference. Personally, I think it's a great idea because we'll see if the oils in your hands are actually needed in order to develop that polished patina look, or if the tumbler develops that polished look faster. The tumbler does not have oils like hands do, so it will be interesting to see which works better. I'm just a bit nervous that the tumbler might crack or mold the walnuts, so let me know if you think I should tumble the second pair or just roll both in my hands. If you think this is gonna take the full 2 years, comment your prediction right now and we'll see who's right. Either way, I'm about to start my 2-year journey rolling these things, and I won't stop until these are completely unrecognizable. So come back in a couple weeks to see for yourself what happens.